Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of life and health. Guys, my today's video contains a very beautiful and wide variety of design ideas that are specifically related to hand embroidery. Most of the designs are inspired by 3D floral embroidery patterns and which are being used with the art of bullion knot or Brazilian embroidery and different type of wheel embroidery stitches. And for filling the dots, French knot have been used. For smaller leaves, lazy daisy stitch have been used. For filling out bigger leaves, satin stitch and fly stitch have been used. I hope that you are getting the ideas and creativities and you are making up your mind that how you are going to design your shirts, kurti, peplum, blouse. Even you can also embroider this pattern onto your western dresses like sleeveless shirt, backless top, sweatshirt, t-shirt. Even you can also embroider these very beautiful patterns onto your bodycon dresses as well to give them a more creative and artistic touch. So the fabric you can use as per your choice. You can also use summer fabric like lawn, organic blended linen stuff, and for winter you can also use warm woolen stuff, and intermixed fabric could also be used for the mixed season as well. So we try our best to share amazing, beautiful and trendy outfits, designer style ideas, hand embroidery patterns, and beautiful creativity related to hand art on daily basis with you so that you could get all the amazing, trendy, and stylish ideas and make up your mind that how you are going to design your dress by sitting at your home and by just seeing our designs and following our designs and color combinations and become a designer of your own. So don't forget to like the video, leave comments below so that we could get to know what you feel about our content, and stay tuned for new upcoming videos.